In 2019, Dürerstahl implemented a fully automatic ring rolling mill with a rolling force of 80 tons, both radially and axially, for seamlessly rolled rings from an operating weight of 50 kilograms onwards. Forged blanks are introduced using a handling device and, after being accepted by a measuring robot, they are checked again for their geometry. An overhead manipulator places the forged blanks geometrically defined in an oven for heating and stores the coordinates for later removal. Prior to the rolling process, the heated blank is descaled using high-pressure water technology and then transferred to the ring rolling mill with all process parameters. The radial and axial reduction of the blank profile then creates a seamless rolled ring. This process is computer-controlled. All parameters of the rolling process and the system are shown on several monitors and observed visually by trained operators. The ring is taken to a measuring system via a jack tractor where it is checked for its required geometry, and then hot stamped with its order data by a needle embosser before the ring leaves the system again. Dürerstahl. Quality forgings made in Remscheid.